Alrighty, YouTubers, it's been a minute. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go, guys. Got another Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. And if you like this item, click the link down below. Check out. And they'll ship it to you fast. Here we go. Let's see what it is. Alright. This is coming from my good friends over at Redragon. This is a brand new RGB M616 Trident Basic 10,000 DPI wired gaming mouse. There's Max RGB. That looks nice. 10,000. Probably hook it up to PlayStation, Xbox, PC, laptop. But definitely check them out. All your esports, they got everything you need. From computers, you can start building your own. Keyboards, mouse, pretty much everything. There it is. And now we're going to open it up and see how it looks. And give it a quick test. But good thing everything's going back to somewhat normal, if you know what I mean. But we'll make it through it. Gotta stay ahead of the curve. And here we go. Get the mouse out of the house. There we go. And now, of course, you get the manual. And of course, stickers for your laptop, MacBook, Redragon, ready for battle. Doom just came out, so this might be a good one to play. Using the Doom on the Game Pass. There's that. Ooh. Oh yeah. I'll test it out. We'll light it up. In 1 second. Get the Velcro off. Oh, it's a long cord. Here we go. So the Trident Basic. I'm just going to plug it into my USB outlet and show you guys the RGBs and stuff. There we go. Maybe I gotta use the computer. Dang it. What we got here? Mode switch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a PC. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, here we go. We got the RGBs going. Really nice. All the way around. Yeah. So I just gotta tuck the cord in. I might use it as my permanent one now. Very nice, smooth. Got the Dragon. Oops. It's moving. So, really nice fit. Got a good turn on the wheel. So there you have it. Check them out, YouTubers. The link will be down below. Redragon. There we go, just moving around. Now that's pretty fast. Whoa, whoa. A little bit faster. There we go. So yeah. There you have it. Check them out. Have a good weekend.